Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all you have to set up a face. Do it, you have to click on here. Then select answers from here, then click on this box and type here 3.5. Then click on this box and type here 2. Then click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to select the shape tool. Then you have to draw the shape in here. Then select the move tool, then select this and rotate this. Then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to select the shape tool again. Then you have to draw the shape in here. Then select the move tool. Then you have to go to the layer panel. Then double click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then select this and rotate this. Then drag this in here. Then press and hold the shift key. Then increase the size of this. Then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then click on the opacity. Then decrease the opacity of this. Then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this layer. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take it up again. Then select these layers and drag these layers in here. Then you have to select the pen tool from here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key. Then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key. Then click on the anchor point again. Then click on here and here. Then select the move tool. Then you have to select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take it up from this, then double click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then decrease the size of this, then drag this in here, then rotate this. Then click on the tick mark, then select these layers, then drag these layers in here. After that, you have to select this layer from here, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then scroll down from here, then click on the orange. Then you have to select this color from here, then select this, then click on the color, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then select this, then click on the color, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then click on here, then click on the color, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then select this, then drag this in here, then select this, then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. After that, you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the reverse. After that, you have to click on the outer glow. So now you have to include the icons and add some text in here. I am already the text, so I am pasting the text in here. After pasting the text, you have to increase the size of this text. After setting the text, you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from ABC. Then you have to select this, then right click on this, then click on the blending option. Then click on the outer glow, then you have to click on here, then select the red color, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then press and hold Alt key, then take it up from this. Then double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then press Ctrl plus F1 from keyboard, then click on here, then select this font style. Then click on the tick mark, then you have to double click on here, then write your company category in here. Then press Ctrl plus F1 from keyboard, then click on here, then select this font style, then click on the tick mark, then you have to select this shape, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here, then select all the from here, then click on the backspace, then back to the main project. Then you have to unlock all layers from here. After unlocking all layers, you have to select all layers from here, then drag these layers in here. Then set this business card in here. After setting the business card, you have to press Ctrl plus S button from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is for you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.